why you're here. You have this issue, but you don't know how to fix it. Don't worry, I got you covered. So the thing is that when you want to change your power plant to something else, the PC doesn't let you, right? Let's do the formalities first. I'm gonna go and search for power plant, and I just have this balanced one. So we all know. If you don't know, we can just choose this. When you go in here, you don't see any ultimate power plant. So what you usually do is go and find PowerShell and run it at administrator. And when you do that, you click on yes, and you will put down this command I'm gonna give you, and press on enter. So the thing it says that your power plant ultimate performance is active. So if I go here and try to see it again, I don't see any ultimate power plants. If you're on a PC or a PC that is fully customizable, you're good to go. You can just choose that. But if you're not, if you can just select it and it doesn't show up for you, here's the twist. Your company doesn't let you do that. Because of what? Because of the policies. They don't want you to click the settings that they gave you. So the thing you're gonna do is find the workaround for it. And I got you covered, buddy. So the thing you're gonna do is that go to your Windows and R, just press on it, and then type down what I'm gonna type down, gpedit.msc, and press on enter. As soon as you do it, you will see in a window, and it says local group policy editor, and the thing you're gonna do is go and click on administrative templates and go on the system and look for power management, and when you see it, you will see a value which says specify custom active power plant. It is exactly what we did in the PowerShell, but if you can't do it through that, we can go do this. So I'm gonna double click on it, and you will see a plan, and it will just tell you what is it actually gonna do. It is basically the command that we put in the PowerShell, but we're gonna just be able to manually put it. You're gonna press on enable, and then you should give the code to it. What was the code? So the thing you're gonna do in the description, if you take a look at the code I gave you, you will be able to actually see that at the end of the code, we do have a little bit of lines, which there are numbers and words together mixed up. And you're just gonna cut it and put the number inside. I will also make it an exception and put the only number version for you in the description. And as soon as you do it and press on apply and OK, you should be able to see that your custom power plan is now enabled. You're gonna go to choose a power plan, and yeah, you gotta refresh it. So I'm gonna go to art and sound and press on it again. As you can see, it says ultimate performance. It is selected, and it says some settings are managed by your system administrators. How? There's no administrator. You're the administrator. So the thing we did is we got through it basically when system thinks we are someone who actually modified this PC, which is correct. So we did that, and we're good to go. Hope you like it. If you like it, I will be happy if you press on the like button and subscription. So see you till the next video.